We are pleased to show you the 2021 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, trip computer, clock, fog lights, electronic stability control, HD radio, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.